disruptive global scenario, it's important to define the future of work and the relevant skills required to make the global workforce ready. With the recent impact of COVID-19 pandemic, technology has redefined the workplace environment. It was interesting to note that across the sectors, technology adoption grew significantly, especially with governments and education sectors adopting faster as compared to the last 2 decades. As per reports from the World Economic Forum and McKinsey Global Institute, many of the current job roles will become redundant due to adoption of Industry 4.0, automation and AI. The need of manual and basic cognitive skills will be on the decline, and creation of opportunities in the technology, social, emotional will be in demand as a part of the evolution journey. Globally, the stakeholders are creating their own strategy to deal with the new opportunity in hand. Odisha, as a progressive state, has already put its foot forward by creating its Vision 2030 for skill development that aligns towards the sustainable development goals of the world. As a part of Make in Odisha Conclave 2022, Skill Development and Technical Education Department is bringing the best of minds from academy, industry, skill development and policy influencers to brainstorm further to refine the strategy further. Soon, a day will come when people across the globe will continue to ask our professionals, are you skilled? Or are you skilled in Odisha?